So today in this video we shall factorize p square plus 11p plus 30. So first we factorize the last number 30. So it is 2 times 15 mean 30 and 3 times 5 mean 15. So now we have the numbers 2, 3 and 5. And from these numbers we have to find out the center number, that is plus 11. So when we multiply 3 into 2, 6, and this 5, 6 plus 5 means 11. So it is p square plus 6p plus 5p plus 30. 6p plus 5 means it is 11p. So now we find out the commons in first two factors and first last two factors. In first two the common is p. So remaining is p plus 6. Here the common is plus 5. So 5 came means p is remaining plus 5 came means 5 6 the 30. So now we find out common in these both. So common here is p plus 6 and p plus 6. So p plus 6 is common and remaining in first expression is p and in second plus 5. So p plus 6 and p plus 5 are the factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.